As football season approaches, Jordan Brand is getting a head start with a cleated version of the Jordan Stadium 90 Low. Dropping on July 1st, this performance-driven update reimagines the hybrid silhouette for the turf, blending style and function for athletes who thrive under pressure. Drawing inspiration from the Air Jordan 5 and Air Jordan 6, this field-ready model features cleats beneath the premium upper made of mesh, suede, and leather. Classic black and gray tones dominate the look, while elephant print details on the swooshes and forefoot eyes stays pay tribute to Jordan Brand's iconic legacy. A striking red tongue tag adds a touch of flair, and the Stadium 90 branding stays true to the sneaker's origins. A molded white midsole pairs with a translucent cleated outsole, delivering the grip and support needed for sharp cuts and explosive speed. Whether you're a weekend competitor or just want a bold new addition to your rotation, the cleated Jordan Stadium 90 Low brings serious crossover appeal to the field.